artificial intelligence feels like one of those moments that will deeply change our society.
Right. According to Ravinder Destikope, it's not because machines suddenly became conscious, but because the cost and accessibility of intelligence itself has changed.
Okay, so it's more about how AI is affecting the automation of tasks.
Exactly. AI systems can now perform many cognitive tasks at near zero marginal cost. But AI replaces isolated tasks and exposes weak value propositions.
I see. This reminds me of the evolution of software engineering.
Oh, yes. The future software engineer will write less code, yet carry more responsibility. The value lies in designing the system, not typing it.
It's interesting to consider how AI influences our work habits and energy levels.
Right. Nastikop says that much of today's fatigue does not come from effort alone, but from unresolved work. And clarity reduces fatigue by limiting unnecessary reconsideration.
So what about, AI in manufacturing?
AI enables factories to learn, predict, and adapt. Instead of stopping a machine after failure, AI predicts when a component will fail and schedules maintenance in advance.
So where does India stand in all of this?
For India, the road to AI in manufacturing is not about copying global models, but about finding an Indian pathway that balances scale, affordability, skills, and inclusivity. Anyway, it's clear that AI is not just a tool, but a partner that requires thoughtful integration.
Okay, that's a good point. It's not about the loudest adopters, but the ones who learn how to think with machines without surrendering judgment. Thank you.